Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own luxury brand, then you know that the process can be both exciting and challenging. You might have a great product idea, but you're not sure how to turn it into a successful business. Or perhaps you're passionate about luxury goods, but you're not sure how to differentiate your brand from the competition. That's where this video comes in. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the essential steps you need to take to create a luxury brand from scratch. From identifying your niche and defining your brand's mission and values, to developing a compelling brand identity and creating a marketing strategy that resonates with your target audience, we'll cover everything you need to know to create a successful luxury brand that stands out in a crowded market. We'll also share real-world examples and insights from successful luxury brand founders and industry experts to help illustrate the concepts we cover in the video. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply interested in learning more about the world of luxury branding, this video is packed with valuable information that will help you achieve your goals. So get ready to take notes and let's dive into the world of luxury branding and entrepreneurship. But before diving in, make sure to subscribe my channel. Step 1. The first step to starting a luxury brand is to identify your niche. What is it that sets your brand apart from others? Is it the design, the quality, or the materials used? It's also important to think about the specific market you want to target. For example, you might focus on creating luxury products for a particular demographic or lifestyle, such as eco-conscious consumers, frequent travelers, or fitness enthusiasts. By identifying your niche, you can tailor your branding and product offerings to meet the needs and preferences of your target audience. You'll want to consider your brand's core values and how they align with your target audience. For example, if your brand focuses on sustainable luxury, you might prioritize using eco-friendly materials and processes and communicate your commitment to environmental responsibility through your branding and messaging. Once you have identified your niche, you can move on to the next step. Step 2. The second step is to do your research. Look at what other luxury brands are doing and learn from their successes and failures. Identify what works and what doesn't, and use this knowledge to refine your own brand strategy. When doing research, you can also look at trends in the luxury market and anticipate future demands. For example, you might notice a growing interest in sustainable materials or a shift towards experiential luxury, and use this information to differentiate your brand. It's also important to research the legal and regulatory requirements for starting a luxury brand in your area. This might include registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and complying with industry standards and regulations. Step 3. The third step is to find a talented and experienced designer who can help you create your vision. You want someone who has a great eye for design, but also understands the luxury market and can help you create products that will resonate with your target audience. In addition to finding a designer, you'll also need to think about creating a brand identity that aligns with your niche and target audience. This can include developing a logo, packaging, and website that convey the luxury and exclusivity of your brand. When working with a designer, you'll want to establish clear communication and expectations, and make sure that your designer understands your brand's vision and aesthetic. You might also consider creating a brand style guide or mood board to ensure consistency in your branding and product design. Step 4. The fourth step is to develop a strong marketing strategy. You want to create a buzz around your brand before you launch, and this means building a strong social media presence, working with influencers, and creating a compelling brand story that will capture the attention of your target audience. When developing your marketing strategy, it's important to prioritize building an authentic and engaged community around your brand. This means being transparent about your values and processes, listening to feedback from customers, and collaborating with like-minded influencers and partners. You'll also want to consider your pricing strategy and how it aligns with your target audience and market. Luxury products often come with a premium price tag, but you'll need to balance this with affordability and perceived value for your customers. Step 5. The fifth step is to find a reputable manufacturer who can produce your products to the highest standards. You want to make sure that your products are of the highest quality and that they meet the expectations of your customers. You'll need to find a manufacturer who can produce your products at a high level of quality while also meeting your production and pricing goals. This might involve sourcing materials from different regions or negotiating with suppliers to get the best deals. You'll also need to consider the logistics of manufacturing and distribution. This might involve setting up supply chain and inventory management systems, coordinating with logistics partners, and ensuring quality control throughout the production process. Step 6. And finally, the sixth step is to launch your brand with a bang. This means hosting a launch event, getting press coverage, and making sure that your products are available in the right stores. When launching your brand, you'll need to think about creating a memorable and shareable experience for your customers. This might involve hosting a launch party or pop-up shop, creating limited edition products or collaborations, or partnering with a charity or social cause to give back to the community. When launching your brand, you'll also want to consider ongoing marketing and branding strategies to maintain momentum and build brand loyalty. This might involve creating a content marketing strategy, leveraging social media and influencer partnerships, and engaging with customers through personalized experiences and excellent customer service. And that concludes our guide on how to start a successful luxury brand from scratch. We hope you found this video informative and insightful as you embark on your journey to create a luxury brand that stands out in a crowded market. Remember, building a luxury brand from scratch takes time, patience, and dedication. But with the right strategy and mindset, it's definitely possible. If you want to learn more about luxury branding and entrepreneurship, we encourage you to check out the resources we've linked in the description below. You'll find articles, books, and courses that can help you further develop your skills and knowledge in these areas. If you have any questions or comments about the process we discussed, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on entrepreneurship, branding, and marketing. Thank you so much for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey to create a successful luxury brand. Remember, the world needs more creative entrepreneurs like you who are willing to take risks and pursue their dreams. Keep pushing forward and never give up.